Not a single one of these 6 devices was added to NetBox manually. Not one. Leaf 1 through Leaf 4, Spine 1, Spine 2, with their interfaces, manufacturer, platform, site, role, and location, were all discovered and ingested automatically into NetBox. In this video, I'll show you exactly how this pipeline works, and over the next couple of videos, we will build this entirely from scratch. So let's look at what is happening under the hood. There are 4 components working together. First, Container Lab. This is where the network lives. I've spun up a 2-spine, 4-leaf Arista COS fabric running as containers. All of these devices have SNMP configured. They have interfaces with IP addresses and descriptions. The second component in our pipeline is the ORB agent or the ORB agent. This is our discovery engine. The ORB agent for this walkthrough would connect to each device via SNMP. It would pull device name, interfaces, platform, manufacturer, all of it, and forward it to Diode for ingestion. There are other backends for the ORB agent that we'll look at in the ORB agent specific video. For example, the ORB agent can do network discovery using Nmap. It can do more detailed device discovery using Napalm. The third component in our pipeline is Diode. This is the ingestion layer. Diode will receive the data from the ORB agent over gRPC. It would reconcile the data against what's already in NetBox, and it will then push only what is new or what has changed. Our fourth and final component is NetBox, which is our single source of truth. Everything lands here automatically, structured, searchable, and all linked. To enable Diode push the information it received from the ORB agent to NetBox, will install a Diode plugin within NetBox so that Diode can push this data to the plugin via HTTP or HTTPS, and then would have this rendered nicely in NetBox, like we see here. So let's look at what's actually being discovered. So we have our 6 devices, Leaf 1 through Leaf 4, Spine 1, Spine 2. All of these devices are in our lab site located in Accra. The role of these devices: switch, manufacturer, Arista networks, and device type, Arista COS. All of this automatically ingested into NetBox. No single manual entry. If we dig deep into the devices, Leaf 1, for example, has 4 interfaces: Ethernet 1, 2, a loopback, and a management interface. Each interface has a type, MTU, description, IP addresses. Then again, all of this ingested automatically. All these are configurations on our devices. The ORB agent pulled those via SNMP, sent those to Diode over gRPC, and Diode pushed that to NetBox. If we look into an interface, we have the MAC address, which was also part of the data that we pulled via SNMP. But how do we know that this data we see indeed was ingested automatically? If you look at the changelog, we'll have an idea that all of these were added with our Diode user, and if we check each of these, we have an idea of what was actually pulled, what was available. and we can look at our tags. We see our tags here, ORB, SNMP discovery. Then we can see that we have some update. For example, in this case, initially the primary MAC address was null, but this was updated. Every single data we have in NetBox at this time, every single one of them was ingested as part of our automatic ingestion pipeline. So, for example, if we look at site, we have one site, which is our lab. We look at the changelog and we see that this was part of what we got from our ingestion pipeline. If we go back to this and we look at IPAM, IP addresses, all of these IP addresses were pulled automatically via SNMP by our op agent, sent to Diode, and Diode published these in NetBox. When you go back to our devices and we check our device component interfaces, all of these, the interface, the device on which the interface lives, whether it is enabled or not, the type of interface, the description, all of this was part of what we ingested automatically into NetBox. And if you look at our generic change logs in NetBox, we also have an idea of what our ingestion pipeline created and what it did update. So, in the next couple of videos, we will build this ingestion pipeline from scratch, end to end. First, we'll deploy our Diode server. Then, we'll install the Diode plugin on NetBox Docker. Next, we'll set up Container Lab with our Arista COS fabric. Then last, we will set up our op agent, and the op agent will do our SNMP discovery, send this to Diode, and Diode send this to NetBox. Then we can come to NetBox and see that we have all our devices ingested. If you are building network automation or documenting your infrastructure in NetBox, this pipeline actually changes how you work. You don't have to do manual device entries. No more manual entries, no more stale data. Essentially, your network can document itself. If you found this helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you.